and welcome to WordPress.com. This video will show you how to display testimonials on your website. The first step is to check if your theme allows testimonials on your site. You'll know by clicking on My Sites and then looking on the sidebar for a link to testimonials below Pages and Posts. Similar to the way you add new posts, you can add a new testimonial under Testimonials. Put the testimonial author's name in the title field, and if you'd like an author photo or logo displayed, add it as a featured image to each testimonial. Next, add the text to the testimonial and press Publish. There are a few different ways to view your testimonials after they've been created. The following links are created once you add testimonials. You have your testimonial archive and your single testimonial page. You can also use the testimonial shortcode to display testimonials in your content. For more information on customizing the shortcodes, visit the WordPress.com support site.